In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to square numbers in Google Sheets. Whether you're handling data for personal projects or professional spreadsheets, knowing how to efficiently square numbers can be incredibly useful. Let's get started with these straightforward steps that will have you squaring numbers like a pro in no time. First, you're going to open Google Sheets. This can be done by navigating over to sheets.google.com and either creating a new sheet or opening an existing one if you already have the data you want to work with. Once you've got your sheet open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're not already accustomed. You'll see columns labeled with letters and rows with numbers, creating a grid of cells to input your data. Now that your sheet is open, let's move on to the next step. You'll want to click on cell B2. If you're dealing with a sample dataset, try to ensure that there are some numbers in column A since we will square these numbers in the next steps. The concept here is to manage and manipulate data within your spreadsheet efficiently. Once you're on cell B2, it's time to input the formula. Type in $2. This formula is telling Google Sheets to take the value from cell A2 and raise it to the power of 2, essentially squaring it. Google Sheets provides a very efficient formula system, and understanding this syntax will help you perform a wide range of calculations beyond just squaring numbers. After you've entered the formula, press the Enter key on your keyboard. What this does is execute the formula you've just written. The result should display the squared value of the number from cell A2 right there in cell B2. To save time, Google Sheets has a useful autofill feature. If you want to apply the same squaring formula to other cells in the same column, you can make use of this feature. With cell B2 still selected, hover over the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell until you see a small blue box appear. This is the autofill handle. Click and drag this handle down the column as far as you want the formula to apply. This action automatically copies the formula down, adjusting the cell references accordingly, so all values from column A are squared in their corresponding cells in column B. It's a great tool for applying formulas to a large range of cells quickly and efficiently. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to square numbers in Google Sheets. This method is not only easy to remember, but also very powerful in handling large datasets. I hope you found this video useful, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips and tricks on using Google Sheets. Thanks for joining me today.